Boolean operation with groupby in pandas. I would like to use pandas.groupby in a particular way. Given a data frame with two Boolean columns, call them call1 and call2, and an ID column, I want to add a column in the following way. For every entry, if call2 is true, and call1 is true for any of the entries with the same id, then assign true. Otherwise false. I have made a simple example. Gives the following data frame. According to the above rule, the following column should be added. Any ideas on an elegant way to do this?
This code will produce the output you requested.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.